Customers that choose Biggin Hill it's not only bring your aircraft home, it's to feel like home. The facilities here are world class. You know, we're set up to do these types of heavy checks. Plus we have the back shop capability, NDT capability.
We have expertise here in the form of certified engineers, and of course we have access to our facilities in the US and in Canada for engineering expertise.
With Biggin Hill we work 7 days a week, basically 24 hours a day. That allows us to really accelerate the downtimes. You know, not only are our technicians only trained in Bombardier products, we can leverage the experience from the US market, our design teams, our in-service engineering teams. Then we've got a really great customer experience team here in Biggin Hill, which will take care of your every need.
Biggin Hill is so well equipped for these type of inspections. We design the aircraft, we build the aircraft, and now our service centres are here to maintain them for the very best of our customers.